Hi, this is our second video of the series and we're going to do a 100k pack opening. This is my German team. It's pretty good actually. It cost me 500k and I'm going to be doing a pink slip soon, so just stay tuned for that. Alright, as you can see I've got 100k in the top corner. Oh, that's a fail. There you go, that's right. Alright, let's do it. First pack of the day. Who we get? Pele! Oh, we got Pele! Good pack, alright. I'll put him on the transfer list. And then I'll quick sell them. Oh, that was very close. 741. It's Jack. Oh, I haven't had good pack luck though, to be honest. So I'm not expecting anything too big. Hollier. He's alright actually, isn't he? For a pack. Oh, a quick sell all that. Why am I getting like nothing for these? El Sharaway. Come on. Let's get someone good. Who's he?
Mangala. There's an informed left back on it for me. It's 95 heading.
Really?
He's a good centre back actually.
Swear.
Yeah. Oh, informed squad fit, yeah. Rare squad fitness.
Oh, and there's nothing else good there, is there really?
No, not really.
Bollocks. I don't even know who that bloke is on the left. Does he play for Southampton or something?
Yeah, I think it was Lee, if he plays for Southampton.
Inan. Who's he?
Don't know, but there was a blue card of him last year.
Really? That's his last year we're talking about. 2 bloody duplicates. I'll keep that and then I'll sell the rest of them.
Yeah. Did you check what the modifier was? Or?
No, I just left it. Okay.
Alba and Messi.
Alba and Messi. Yeah. Didn't you tell that gives you good pack luck?
Yeah.
He's a good player actually.
Yeah. I got a rare in every pack I've bought with them though.
Are they worth anything?
No, not really.
Oh. I think my luck's getting quite good actually.
It's getting better.
Let's not say anything too close. Welbeck. Does he go for anything, you know?
Nah, he's a decent player though. He plays for a decent club.
Nah. Not Finoya. Is that worth anything? That's worth
something. Yeah,
that's
I think that's
worth
about $3 grand.
Yeah. I think I bought one the other day. We bought one for Rooney, didn't we?
Yeah.
So we've got another 66k, or probably about 50 something now.
Yeah.
Shit, we've got him the other day, didn't we?
Yeah. Yesterday.
Yeah. And quick sell the rest, yeah.
Soon we should do a giveaway.
Yeah, do a giveaway, yeah. Yeah, comment for a giveaway, guys. I might give away Schweinsteiger, Neuer, Royce. Don't know. Comment who we should give away.
Farfan, he's a good player.
I doubt he goes for anything, does he?
No, I think he's about $3 grand though.
I'll keep that, gets 200 money. My luck's getting there, isn't it?
It's getting better.
Slowly but surely. Come on. Who's he?
Pizarro.
He's probably worth jack shit.
Probably. No one knows. Look out for Raul Morellas.
Yeah, he's one of the rarest players on FIFA, isn't he?
Yeah. Although he's nothing rare.
No, he's not rare, but he's not been in any packs. He's not even on the transfer market.
Inform!
Oh!
And Buffon! Oh, pack luck's getting good. Yes.
Decent. Oh, happy days.
Sound quick sell that.
Inform. Oh, pack luck's getting there, isn't it?
Yeah, this is where we need to get Inform Messi though. Oh, Alaba and Messi on the front covers.
Come on. I'm getting pretty good with this now.
Yeah.
I doubt that Inform's worth anything, is he?
I have no idea, but he's an Inform, so.
Oh, there's some coins.
Oh, Norton.
1k. Woo!
Oh.
Do you think he's worth anything?
Dunno.
We were looking for left backs the other day, weren't we?
Yeah.
Well, quick sell that, innit?
Yeah.
Oh, my pack luck's actually getting there.
Yeah. Finally gone Inform. Your first Inform on it on the FIFA.
That's my first Inform on FIFA in a pack. Come on.
Oh, we could do an Xbox giveaway.
Mascherano, is he worth anything?
Marquisio. Yeah, he might be worth something.
Marquisio, sorry. Oh, giveaway on Xbox, you say?
Yeah.
I could, yeah, I got an Xbox account as well, guys, but I only have it at my dad's. I'm only there on weekends. But yeah, comment on that as well if you want me to give away anything or play or games or anything like that. I can do anything. I've only got a Serie A team. It's a decent weekend team though, guys. I think I hit the height on my pack luck, didn't I?
Yeah.
Oh, quick sell that, innit? Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty terrible, that Inform, if I'm being honest.
Would have been better if it was Team of the Year though. Ronaldo. But Inform's good enough.
I'm happy with an
Oh,
Inform.
Llorente, he's got sick heading.
Wow, 87.
Jerome.
Is he worth anything?
Yeah, he might be. I think that's Empire Championship.
Ooh.
Spurs, that's a nice kit.
I'll send that to club and I'll have that later. Spurs boy, ain't I?
There are 2 more packs left.
2 more packs. Come on. Yeah, that is a Southampton kiddie.
Yeah, Lee.
Alright, skip this. Who did we get? He used to
Young.
play for City, didn't he?
Yeah.
I remember him on FIFA 12. He
Oh,
was
you got
amazing.
Shadow, I think that's about $4 grand.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nice. I'll put both them on, innit?
Yeah, I think finishing's only about 400 coins, but... Oh, this will be the last
It's the last pack, guys.
No, I might be able to get a 5k pack after.
Maybe. If not, then I'm happy with all of this. It's been quite a good
Well.
pack opening for me. Got him the other day.
He ain't worth nothing.
No, he's nothing. That might be worth something at Sniper.
Yeah, maybe.
And the stadium's not worth anything, is it?
It's the end of the pack opening.
And that's it. Thanks, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.